Abhishek in third semester of IT department. Today we are going to see how the array of objects are created and how this array of object is implemented in multiple environments. First of all, array is a type of data structure in which we can store similar type of data. So it is possible to create array of an object because we are going to create the array of similar type of objects. And second thing is that we are going to implement this array of object in the inheritance. Inheritance is a feature of object-oriented programming language in which we are having one base class and different derived classes. So in this multiple inheritance, we will have one base class and this base class will be inherited in different derived classes. So coming to the program, here I have made one base class, that is class A. This class A is derived in different derived classes. The different derived classes are B, C, D, and E. I have created four derived classes and one base class. You can assume it like a tree where A is the base class and B, C, D, and E are the different branches of the class. Again, I have made one show function. This show function will display the output on the screen because this function is inherited in different classes again and again. So I have made this function as virtual. So now class A is defined. This class A is my base class. Now I'm going to define my first derived class. B is my first derived class in which I'm going to inherit this class A in public mode. So I have inherited this A in public mode in my class B. Now this show function is predefined here. This show function will just print the output on the screen. Similarly, class C, class D, and class E are defined, where in all these classes, class A is inherited in public mode in B, C, D, and E. Similarly, so now coming to the meaning of this function, because I am having different derived classes B, C, D, and E, so I have made a different object for every class just to show how array of objects are created. So that's why I have created different objects for every class. So I'm having 5 classes here. So I have defined 5 different objects here. Now coming to this line, A equals to star P, A in the square brackets. This is array. Star P is a pointer. So here I'm using pointer to store the location of all the different objects in an array. This array will contain the the address of all the objects defined above in this array. So if we are using an array, we need to use for loop to access those elements of array. So my values are from 0 to 5. So in this for loop, we are just going to print the we are just going to call the show function as star p is just like the base pointer. So every time my base pointer will point to different object. Whenever the address of address of object A is placed in a base pointer, this function will this base pointer will point to that particular class. So the star PA in brackets J points to show. First, when the first time this loop is executed, this will contain the address of A. Meaning it will point to the first class. So the base pointer will points to show. This show function will be called from the base class because this is for the address of my base class. Again, pointer await the value are implemented and for loop is executed. Now my base pointer will point to second object of my derived class. So the object is star b. Now my base pointer is pointing to the object of class b. This show function is called from class b. Similarly, all the objects all the show functions are called and the values are displayed on the screen. Now you can see how this will actually work on the Turbo C++ compiler. So this is the implementation of my program. Here you can see this is my base class. Now this base class is inherited in class B, class C, class B, and class D. And base pointer star PA. In this base pointer, all the address of the above defined objects are stored. So I'm going to compile this program. This program is not having power, so I'm going to run this program. The output of my program is, as you can see, every time a show function is called, the particular value, the statement of that particular class is executed here. So I'm having 5 different classes A, B, C, D, E, and here are 5 different objects, 5 different elements are printed on the screen to show that my compiler has visited the particular class. So this is how we can implement. So in this way we can implement an array of objects in multiple inheritance. Thank you.